We're in the Caribbean right now, on a small island in Selfridges somewhere. That was my era, you know. Willie Bounce. I think my favorite tune was Who calling me from an unknown number? Me no answer no unknown number. Me nah pick it up if he a private caller. Gangsta no answer no private caller. What? Welcome to This Food Bangs. Today, I'm in central London. Man's out the end. We're at Selfridges. We're here to get a taste of new age Caribbean cuisine. Food stall called Juici Jerk. Okay, come with me. You're gonna see what it's about. It's Juici Jerk. It's a black-owned food store that are currently operating 7 days a week in the prestigious Selfridges Food Hall in central London. They pride themselves on providing a wholesome Caribbean dining experience with a contemporary twist. Meet Conrad and Shola. They make up part of the team, Juici Jerk. Shola, tell us about the origins of Juici Jerk.
Well, basically, yeah, me and my brother started that in 2017.
Yeah.
Just in in our mum's house. Obviously, our mum started showing us how to cook and everything. We're thinking, we can make a big thing out of this. So we just started a delivery service every Wednesday and Saturday on the bikes and that. Had a jerk pan in the garden. So we started on Snapchat and then we're here today. Yeah.
From humble beginnings, born and raised in Tooting, South London, brothers Troy and Jarrell Johnson took traditional Caribbean recipes from their family home and added a fresh modern take inspired by their own British background to create a new age Caribbean cuisine.
Actually, for Selfridges, we were meant to be a pop-up.
Really?
Literally, all we're doing is Selfridges, exposing the brand a bit more.
Yeah.
The people out
We've
there.
been in Box Park.
That's what I'm saying.
We know.
Literally, we're just trying to get the brand out a bit more, you know what I'm saying? And obviously turned into the main thing now. And we're still here after 6 weeks. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. We're meant to be here for 6 weeks, but we're still here.
So you were meant to only be here for 6 weeks?
Exactly 6 weeks, yeah, man. And one more for you in November now, bro. Literally, the target was we're meant to make 500 a day.
Yeah.
I think that was just our target. And we went past, we smashed that. We smashed that in the first 2 weeks.
That's right. Why do you think it's so busy? Why do you think customers are gravitating towards Juici Jerk?
It's different. You haven't ever seen this in Selfridges before. Social media is a big thing as well. TikTok's been blowing, Insta's been blowing.
Another thing, people actually thinking that the raised slushies here are the main thing.
Yeah.
They come here for, but it's not even like that. People still come for the bowls and one of our top sellers.
It's just a whole experience, man.
Yes, it's a different experience.
It's a whole experience.
What's the concept behind Juici Jerk? What is the concept? For those who don't know.
So the concept behind it is just a new age Caribbean.
And what does that mean? When we hear new age Caribbean,
it's just like imagine the authentic Caribbean food with just a little bit of a twist. You know what I'm saying? With just a little bit.
They choose their own fillings in their wraps and bagels. They get that control.
That's right. And
obviously, our customer service is a bit.
It is mad busy. I managed to grab a customer to find out what keeps him coming back to Juici Jerk. What brings you to Juici Jerk?
Well, to be fair, whenever I come to Selfridges to collect my sneakers or whatever, I have to stop by, get a banging rum punch and a wrap to get me with the jerk chicken and the plantain, banging, still the flavours up on point. I respect it, you get me? Because obviously you don't see many black businesses in Selfridges like that. 100. It's nice to see that they come through. Get me? 100.
Juici Jerk's menu features a rich mix of classic Caribbean staple with a modern and contemporary twist to reflect London and Kingston heritage.
Rice and peas.
Our red kidney beans are obviously boiled.
Yeah.
We put all our ingredients like thyme, Scotch bonnet, all the seasoning, the all-purpose and everything like
Okay, so
that.
Scotch bonnet goes in there, yeah?
Of course.
Wicked.
Yes. And obviously don't forget the coconut cream. Just
cream,
a traditional rice and peas recipe.
Traditional, yeah?
With a bit of Juici's twist.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to do some Caribbean salad.
Come on.
We got some red onions.
That's right.
Some peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, cucumber, tomato.
That's right.
Mixed leaf salad. Can't go wrong with that. And we got our famous coleslaw.
Coleslaw, yeah?
I don't want to talk too much into it.
Oh, is it a secret ingredient?
Yeah,
Oh, come on. Don't do us like that, man. Come on, man. Share it out, man.
We need to know there's white cabbage and red cabbage.
Alright, okay.
We got our 24 marinated jerk chicken.
It's marinated for 24 hours.
And then we obviously jerk it on the jerk pan.
On the jerk.
Fried plantain.
It's a sweet fried plantain.
Can I repeat? Plantain.
Okay, we're not going to get into that right now. We'll get into that because obviously they've given me all access.
Yeah, this is Juici Jerk special first sauce.
Juici Jerk special.
Jerk barbecue sauce.
Again, secret?
Secret.
Okay.
Secret. And then obviously we just got the garnish at the end. Make it pretty, man.
Jeez.
Make it pretty.
That's right. You're salt baying it up.
Of course.
Say no more.
Yeah.
So this is what is this one?
Our Juici Jerk bowl.
Juici Jerk also offers a vegan option. And they do bagels.
Yeah.
So again with the coleslaw.
Yeah, of course.
So plantain on bagel, yeah?
Of course, anything in our bagel. Sauce, jerk barbecue.
There we go. Love.
They then wrap it up and it's ready to go. Now, time for the Juici Jerk wrap. They toast the wrap, slice some chicken thighs, smashed avocados, some mixed salad, coleslaw, rice and peas, plantain. Yep, you heard me. I said it, plantain. Adds the chicken, adds the secret jerk barbecue sauce. Ah, look at that. Jamaica in a wrap.
I am currently munching on this wrap. It's gorgeous. You have got to get this wrap. Now in Juici Jerk, at Juici Jerk, what they will allow you to do is pick a filling, and they kindly put everything into this wrap, and it's a whole lot of Caribbean, Jamaican flavors going on in here. Spice, sweet, savory, and once it goes into your mouth, it's like you're at Notting Hill Carnival. Honestly, you can hear the steel drums going bing, 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 bing. It's like good, bro.
Like with slightly different changes, so it would be like
Look at that. Mad fam. It's really good food. I would pack it out if you were to get a wrap. Pack it out. Get a full wrap. Every filling that you can think of. Whatever they have, just say, can I have it in there? Even if it's Razor Nephews, pour it into that wrap. It's banging. Bang. What's it saying?
I love this. Like, the sauce in it, plantain, the meat is like, it's just doing what it's supposed to do.
Amen.
And now, and like, it's amazing. I love it so much. Oh my God.
Bang.
And it's like there's no differing opinions. Like,
Anyways, moving on. Do you know what? I'm trying something different. because I don't want the vegan hype to come after me. You know what I mean? So I'm trying vegan bowl, vegan juicy jerk bowl, I think. Wow. The proper tastes like chicken, you know? Real talk.
Yeah, so that's just a really
Proper tastes like chicken, bruv. It's a mad thing. Mad thing. It's got that same texture. It's not rubbery. You can just about tell. Like if you hadn't told me before, I'd have said, right, alright, chicken. I'm being serious. That's nice, man. I'm trying something new. So now I'm trying the chicken one. Can you see that? Can you see that chicken? You see that? Madness. Man's got to eat in it. It's definitely been marinated in it. You can taste it. Taste the spices and the sauces. Oh God. Punchy, fiery, it's hot, it's heat, it's the Caribbean, Jamaica.
All in all, this was an absolute vibe. If you're ever in Selfridges and you finish shopping and you're feeling a little bit peckish, stop by at Juici Jerk, a new age Caribbean cuisine. It's an absolute vibe and the food bangs. Now, time for me to wash the food down with this. Slushy with a dash of raisin nephews. Well, maybe not a dash, maybe a double, maybe a triple. Who knows?
What did you say this was?
Headache in the cup. You know that
Headache in
that
the
hangover
cup.
is gonna
It's
be
a problem.
It will hit hard tomorrow.
Oh man, no work tomorrow, man.
Lucky for you.
No work tomorrow still.
40% wave.